નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Dear student, today we will learn Standard 7th Social Science Chapter number 3 Government. Here we can see some headlines of newspaper. Let's start our lesson. You must have come across the word government in newspaper, radio and TV. What is government? What function does it perform and what is the importance in our lives? We will study about the government in this lesson. You must have read the word government in the newspaper or listen in the radio also. So what is government? First we will understand what is government. A group of people managing the affairs of country. That one is called government. And what the function did it performs in our lives? Let's start and we will study about government in this lesson. You must be aware that a country needs a government to make laws as per its constitution, to take decision and implement them. For example, where should schools and roads be constructed? Should the rates of different commodities be increased or decreased? How to ensure that electricity is supplied to everyone? Decisions such as these are usually taken by the government. Thus, the government perform a very important function. We come to know about the government's work through the media. So, every country required government to take decision and work for the people. Every country follow the constitution of the government and prepare the laws, get them implement and do necessary improvement of them. For example, where they should school and roads constructed, should the rate of different commodities. Commodities, the meaning of commodities means primary product. So that primary product should be decreased or increased. How to ensure that electricity is supplied to everyone? That one decision taken to the government. Thus, the government performs a very important function and we come to all the things about government through the media. Function of the government. The government, like a managing committee, usually in democracy, the government work as per wishes of the people and for their welfare. The government also take various steps to solve the economic and social problems of the people. It is concerned about the nation's economic condition and problems of poverty, unemployment, literacy, health, etc. It also provides various facilities like making law, price food, grains available through the ration shops, assistance during disasters and calamities, establishing education institutions and hospitals, and runs services like transport, judiciary, post and telegraph, railway, etc. The government also maintains friendly relation with other countries. Now here we can learn what are the function of the government. The government like a managing committee. Usually our country is democracy. Democracy means the government work for wishes of people and their welfare. Welfare means safety. Here our government work for public wishes and their safety. The government also take various steps to solve economic and social problems of the people, and also government try to find out the problem of economic and social problem of the people. It is concerned about the nation's economic condition and problems of poverty. Poverty means poor. Unemployment. Unemployment means joblessness. Literacy means educated, able to write or read, and health, etc. It also provides various facility to making law, price food grain available through the ration shops. Making low price means less price. So poor people can also buy food grains from the ration shop, and also assistance during the disaster. Disaster means deconstruction or damage, calamities, and establishing to means establish to organize education institution and hospital, and runs services. Which type of services our government running? Transport, judiciary, post and telegraph, and railway, etc. Now we have also problem of COVID-19. So our government also trying to protect them and also find out to solve the problem. The government also maintains friendly relation with our country. So we can say that government protect us from the boundary of country and also maintain peaceful relation with other country. So our next topic is importance of the government. The government is necessary to ensure that the law is same for everyone. Means government have to also necessary to find that the law is also common for each and every person for same. It is not important that person is poor or rich, educated or uneducated. So the law is same for everyone. It frames laws and see that it is implemented by the consulted authorities and the police. So it is duty to check out that concerned authorities and police are behavior and everything are follow the law or not, because here the law is same for everyone. A very important function of the government is to make rules and regulation whenever there is a public gathering. The government thus plays a vital role in maintaining law, order and peace, and also ensure the development of the nation. So here our what is a very important function for government is to make rules and regulation for each and every person same, and exact whenever there is a gathering men are there, so they have to make law for each and every person. The government thus plays a vital role maintaining law, so they have to maintain the law, order and peace and development of the nation. Think, is it possible to administrate the country without the government? Yes or no? Why? Mention any two decisions taken by the government. Did you like those decisions? Yes or no? Why? How is the country administrated? Our third topic is the government at different levels. The government is responsible for providing various facilities in different fields. How does the government arrange for all this? India is a vast country. It is the administration was centralized. Many problems would arise and will cause inconvenience to the citizen, will be inconvenienced. Therefore, our country works at different levels: local level, state level and national level. Local level government is concerned with the affairs of villages and cities. State government deals with the matters of the state level, while the government at the national level is responsible for the work related to the entire nation. You have already studied about the local level and will learn about the state government in the next unit. In the next class, you will learn about the national government, the central government, yani ki union government. So, here they explain the government is responsible for providing all type of different field. But how it is possible to arrange all the things? Because our India is very big country, and if the administration centralized, many problem rise, means to come out, and inconvenience means not to convenience, maybe there is a trouble. So all for this there are in our country government act at three levels, at the local level, state level and national level. The local level government deals with the concerned with the affairs of villages and cities. The state government deal with the matter of state level, and while the government, national level government is responsible for the work related to entire nation. So you have already studied about local level, and we will also learn about national government and central government in next lesson. Student, we will continue our lesson in next session. Thank you for joining us.